Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is September 29th, 2019, and I am standing in front of the Golden Gate here at the Fremont Street Experience. Today, we'll take a quick look at updating the progress of the Circa Hotel due to open up in December 2020. But first, a couple of things. The Whiskey Liquor Up bar has added a rotating bar to a second floor. You can sit down and it rotates in 360 and take a little view of what's going on the Fremont Street Experience. Also, you have a chance to win Derek Stevens' Corvette ZR1. Details are available at the Golden Gate and at the D. All right, let's get cracking. So right now I'm on 1st Street, and this wall to the left, I believe that wall was not there a month ago when I visited for an update, so it does look like some progress is being made. Today's a Sunday, so there's not many workers. Well, I didn't see any workers actually at all at the site. Now the Circa is located just across from the from the California Casino and Hotel, or Hotel and Casino. See that? Just right in front of it. So the Circa does sit between the California and the Golden Gate. Now, this billion-dollar project, as far as I've read, has been on time and is due to open up in December of 2020, just in time for the New Year's celebration for 2021. It's probably gonna be a rockin' party. I mean, if you're here in town, I would try to get tickets if you can. This view is from Ogden Street, and it does look like progress has been made since the previous month when I was here. To the right, inside the building, there's a stairwell, and that was not here before. So like I said earlier, it does appear that progress is being made, so hopefully they're on time and on schedule, and better if they're even under budget. And then to the right of the hotel, this structure right here, I believe is the Garage Mahal, their parking lot for, I believe, 1,200 vehicles. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like the exclamation point. Okay, sure. I do hope you all enjoyed this short tour of the Circa for its update. It does look pretty good, and like I said several times before, let's hope they're on budget and on time, or even under budget. If you have any questions about the Circa or any other projects in Vegas, let me know and I will do my best to answer them. This is OneManOneCamera. I hope you have a great day wherever you are, and stay tuned for a short clip of me somewhere else, doing something else, somewhere outside of Las Vegas. Thanks a lot. Good day. I want to go off the beautiful world. Felt the cold rain on my shoulder. Cha-cha-cha-cha. That's all I know. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, it's a nice day in Hong Kong today, yeah? Lots of sunshine, really hot. So I'm a little tired, I'm a little lazy, I'm a little late as usual. And so I think we're gonna go to the Peak for a nice view. The Peak is somewhere over there. Here is our good friend Jackie Chan, pointing towards the future. Welcome to Hong Kong. It's so beautiful. Content. Thumbs up. Handwriting test. And repeat. Alright, behind me is Hong Kong Harbor. I think it's one of the deepest natural harbors in the world. That's what I read somewhere. All these here are like condos, apartments. I think this is called the mid-levels. Expensive. Okay, here we are. Just about to get out of here from the peak, go back down into the lower lands, I guess, the flat lands, I want to call it, or Hong Kong. It's nice up here, you know. It's a good, relaxing day. Come with your friends, come with your family, all that good stuff. I don't know if you hear me now because there's a lot of wind right now, so maybe the sound is not so good. Come on, Lumix, you can do it. Cut the wind out for us. But it's a nice day, you know. It's kind of hot though. Let's go eat something! I am starving! 请不要展示黄色以外，黑色、个人电脑。Long day. Got my laundry. Hey. So it's important when you're traveling to find a coin laundry or a laundry service. Hotels will take all your money and smile as they do. I'm sure you all know that. Anyway, something so fuzzy. Talk to you later. Ciao.